Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you all the beginner things in Scratch. In my last video I showed you all the beginner things. In that video I'm going to show you all the beginner things but kind of harder. First we have the code area, which is giving commands to the sprite. First, motion. It's like giving commands to the sprite. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees the right side, turn 15 degrees the other side, which is the left side. Then we have the looks. The looks, it's actually the appearance for the sprite and how it thinks and how it talks. Like, say hello for 2 seconds. Say hello. Think, Think, Then we have the sounds. These sounds is like play sound meow until done, start sound meow, and stop all the sounds. Then we have the events, which is when something clicked, which is the green flag clicked, when something key pressed, which is when space key pressed. Then you have the control section. The control section is like waiting or repeating. Like waiting 1 second, repeat 10 times, forever. Not repeat 10 times, but forever. If, then a space thing, and then. I'm going to show you where do we put that later in sensing and operators. Then we have the sensing. Look at that. That, or the hexagon, is supposed to put in. Like this. Well, sensing is like putting the blue things, which is the sensing, in the if then or other things. That makes the if something then. Okay? Then you have the operators. The same thing, but with another color, green. Then we have the variables, which is like creating something, and my blocks creating something, the same thing. Then we have the costume section. We can color the sprite, decorate the sprite, and do whatever we want to the sprite. I'm going to color the sprite. Pick the paintbrush, then color. I want the purple color, so I'm going to color purple. If you want another color, press on fill, then choose your own color. Like this. It's right there. Then we have the sounds. We actually can record sounds from here. Like there. We had one for the sprites. Now we have one for the sound. Like this. Hi guys. Stop. Save. And then hear it. Hi guys. Like this. And we may listen to sounds or choose a sound. Like this. Then I'm gonna show you how to save your project. First, this plus on file, then save to your computer, write your name. You want to save it where? Well, the better one is desktop. Then press save. Well, I press on cancel because I want us to complete the video. You press on save. And if you saved the video or saved a scratch project, you actually may get it again. Pressing a file, then load from your computer. Then it was on desktop, right? You're gonna find all the things in desktop. Then I'm gonna show you this part. This part is writing the sprite's name. I want to name that Kitty. And here, X and Y, right? Well, the X is left and right. The Y is up and down. I want to make that maybe like 1. It's going to be moved to the right 1 step. And so on. And the Y, if I do 1, move 1 step up or maybe down. I'm going to make that 0 as it is, and that one's 0 as it is. Then we have the size. I want to make that kitty more bigger. So I'm going to do 150, which is 150, bigger. Then we have that area. That area is showing the sprite and hiding the sprite like this. And this area, these 2 buttons, so when I do a code right here, when I do things together like this, it usually do the things that I just coded, but I just coded something wrong, so it'll never do anything. Well, that one is playing the code or playing the sprites. That one stops it. And here we have make it bigger, and we have that one that makes it smaller. I want to make it bigger. Then we have here like this. It zooms it in and zooms it out. Bye.